Have you ever felt curious about what the future holds or wondered if there's a way to gain deeper insight into your life? Tarot and oracle cards have been used for centuries as powerful tools to connect with your intuition and gain spiritual guidance. In today's video, we will uncover the mystical world of tarot and oracle cards, an ancient practice that can unlock secrets, provide clarity, and help you better understand your journey. If you've always wanted to explore how these cards work, then this video is for you. Tarot and oracle cards are much more than just tools for fortune-telling. They are a bridge to the deeper parts of our consciousness, helping us connect to our higher self, our intuition, and the energies around us. Tarot consists of a deck of 78 cards, each one rich with symbolism and archetypal images. These cards are divided into the major arcana, which represents significant life lessons and spiritual themes, and the minor arcana, which reflects everyday events and personal situations. When you shuffle and draw the cards, you are not just picking random images, you are engaging with your inner wisdom. Let's say you're seeking guidance about a decision. You pull the Fool, a card representing new beginnings and taking a leap of faith. This doesn't necessarily mean you should act recklessly, but rather it encourages you to trust in the process, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. On the other hand, if you pull the Tower, a card associated with sudden change or disruption, it may be a sign that it's time to prepare for unexpected shifts in your life, but with the understanding that this change will ultimately lead to growth. Oracle cards are often more freeform than tarot and are designed with a wide range of themes, from angels to animals to affirmations. These cards are a bit more intuitive and open to personal interpretation. For example, you might pull a card with the word healing, which may be a direct message to focus on your self-care, emotional recovery, or spiritual well-being. What makes tarot and oracle readings special is that they allow you to dive deep into your emotions, thought patterns, and spiritual energy. The cards often reflect back what you already know deep down, but may not yet be consciously aware of. When you begin working with them regularly, you'll notice patterns emerging that help guide you through challenges, offer support during tough times, and inspire you to pursue your goals. For beginners, it's important to approach the cards with an open mind and heart. Don't worry about memorizing every meaning right away. Instead, start with simple questions and reflect on the imagery and feelings that come up for you during your reading. Over time, you will develop your own personal relationship with the cards and learn how to interpret them in a way that resonates with your unique path. Tarot and oracle cards offer a transformative experience that can enrich your spiritual journey. If you enjoyed learning about these mystical tools and feel inspired to start your own card reading practice, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Let's continue exploring the magic of tarot and oracle cards together. Remember, the wisdom of the cards is always within your reach.